Welcome to Beyond Repair. Today we have a 2016 Ford Mustang V6. It's gonna be the same for 2015 all the way to like 2019, I believe, and probably even for the newest generation. Here's what we're doing today. Do you see my cruise control buttons? Aww. That's right, they're gone. They're completely missing, and I have it somewhere. I had it somewhere. Now I cannot find it. So today I'm gonna show you how to replace them. The only thing that I want to point out right away, you would have to deal with the airbag, because you would have to remove the driver's airbag. It's time to pop up the hood, open up the cover for the battery, and disconnect the battery, because every time you're working with the airbags, you want to know what you're doing. If you don't, please do not attempt. First, let's get the battery cover removed and we'll take it from there. Now all you have to do is just locate two holes behind the steering wheel, and I'm gonna show you those springs that are holding the airbag. So you pretty much take something tiny, press on the spring, it will release the airbag. Do one side at a time. Take this guy out. Save it. Is it the same size or bigger? It's a bigger size. Come on, Ford! Verify the size is the same. Now we need something to pry on, because we need to release that guy. And it's got clips behind. So lift it up and straight forward. The rear is gonna be tight, but if you shake it, it should pop. All right, we got this guy. If you want to replace that one, you're done. It should be super easy. You press, release, pull. But I'm going after the lower portion, so let's do the lower portion as well. There's the last one hidden. Okay, and save it, because again it's a different size. So I'm gonna put it right here, and then I'm gonna watch my own video to figure out where I put it. This is gonna be tight and fun. You see there's a tab right behind the wires. You need a flathead, tiny one, to pry it, let it free, which is not as easy as it sounds. Yeah, that would work perfect. So here I am, getting behind, pulling the release and trying to squeeze those wires out. It's easy to pull the release, but it's harder to remove the buttons. So we have this one. Next, we need to hook up a new one. It's gonna go this way. This is, by the way, the original part, so it should last. It's kind of harder to get it in than when I was removing it, but if you place it on the holes, it kind of goes in by itself. So next, impact this guy. And I'm not putting it tight, I just want to make sure it sits, and then I'm slowly going until it clicks. Click, click. I would remind you, this is plastic. It is super easy to break, so watch out for that. We have 2 bolts right here. One goes in. Okay, next we need to get this guy back, because remember, the bolt is gonna go on top. So the hardest part was to clip it right here. Let's see, the wire, the cover should lift up a bit, kind of like this. Yeah. So in, click, and then push it straight. It should pop into the place. Okay, now it's in. So it's pretty much going to be connected with the rear plastic that's right behind. You have to squeeze it, then it's going to pop. This one. And the last one. So if you did not disconnect the battery, well, you will have to deal with loud, really loud honk when you're gonna pop the airbag back in place. For that, I will take the tool out. I'll get myself away, try to align it left and right, and then you have to push on it until it clicks. So let's see the clips one more time. This is the clip, and that's the clip right here, and when it's in, it should pop like so. All right, we have the new steering controls. They are working. I'm pretty sure they are. But now let's see if my airbag gonna blow. I'm just kidding, nothing gonna happen. Not on my watch. Okay, now let's make it straight. Get it tight. Again, I want to point out something. If you are removing the negative terminal, make sure it is not touching the metal anywhere. The problem with that, your car is the ground, and if you touch the negative terminal to the ground, it's gonna be the same as you still have a battery, so watch out for that. Now we're gonna twist it, get it in place, click, and the only thing left is to use one of the plastic trims, clips, and it's gonna stay in place. So let's test it. Let's make sure that the buttons are actually working. I'm pretty sure they are, but hey, let's see. Let's see, cruise control on, set, off. It is working, so we're good to go. And horn is working, so everything seems to be all right. And that's how you quickly and easily replace your steering controls. If you need the top, left or right, the procedure is gonna be the same. It took only like 20 minutes, and if you do it right, you should be fine. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.